InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into, bam, Molton Brown's Discovery Kit. Okay, but before we do anything, hit the like and subscribe. Stay connected. All right? Now, Rose Dune. I'm going to go ahead and get into this one. I have no idea what we're getting into as far as the smell, outside of the fact that there's going to be some roses. I'm going to go ahead and unsheathe this thing. Look at that. Now that's my kind of tint. Yes, yes, yes. That's my kind of tint. We got some density here, okay? We got some density. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, so without further ado, let's get this on the back of the wrist. We have a rose, warm spice, woody. Ooh. That was supposed to be an oud, but it turned into something else. This is very familiar. This is very familiar. Hold on, I'm getting beside myself. From the top, rose, warm spice, woody, oud, fresh spice, leather, patchouli, fruity, aromatic, and floral. And let me tell you right now, this smells like a Nishane type of rose. Let's see if it's Turkish rose. Let's see if it's Turkish. If it's Turkish, your boy is on something nice. All right, let's see. Let's see. We got saffron, green pepper in the top. Ginger, violet leaf, bergamot, cassis. In the middle notes, you got rose. No Turkish, just rose. Just rose. Raspberry, geranium, magnolia, lily of the valley. And in the base, you got argwood, patchouli, leather, musk, vetiver, and sandalwood. I will say this, I don't even know what atomizer went. if you were to tell me this was a Nishane fragrance, I would like to think that you would be telling me the truth. This has definitely got that juicy Nishane aptitude. But let's narrow this down. The rose is very strong. It's very juicy. It's pretty much. I'm not getting the oud anymore. I'm not getting the oud. I am getting the leather and the sandalwood. Those are very easy notes to put out or to notice. It's not doing a whole lot as far as evolution goes. I'm surprised how light the saffron is. Saffron is usually a very dominant figure in a fragrance, but this is very Nishane-like. Yeah, whoever this perfumer is, he nailed the rose, or whatever combination of rose it is. This is nice. It's definitely unisex, leaning feminine. I was hoping it would be a little bit more robust. Like, I was hoping it would give me a little something. There's not a whole lot to write home. It is a quality fragrance, though. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm trying to give it some time here. It's not doing a whole lot as far as evolution goes, but this is a nice fragrance. It's a little one-dimensional for me, but if you are looking for something that is kind of, even keel, predictable, I could see this being mass appealing, unisex. Yeah, this is rose, oud wood, and leather. I mean, that's pretty much what this is. That initial opening definitely. I gotta try that again. That opening was something else. Yeah, man, that that opening is something else. Wow. But, you know, it definitely turns a little bit more masculine. Yeah. What do you guys think? Have you tried this? Let me know. What do you think? One thing I knew, though, just some more initial thoughts on this. About 5 minutes have passed. It's a very bold fragrance. I don't think I depicted that enough. It turns into something bold, something that presses hard. I think, especially with the color, I think that if you were to wear this in the heat, it wouldn't come off like cloying to people, but it would definitely push hard. It's a quality fragrance for sure. No, I mean, it is a very quality fragrance. I like it. I like it. I don't know if this is offering me anything that I haven't had with a little bit with different kicks, but I could see this being something that I would want if I just wanted that bold rose appeal. But that's it. Those are my thoughts. What do you think? Have you tried this? One thing I do know that's for sure is YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Click on the funnel. Check me out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.